Hi there! This story happened over 20 years ago, when Hikaru Utada was 17 and Kenshi Yonezu was only 9 years old. At 17, Utada became a major star and on a national concert tour because she suddenly became so famous. Many unexpected things happened, and the immense pressure caused her health to break down. While in a travel state, she suddenly became unable to sing right before the performance. The show had to be cancelled with the audience already inside the venue. The venue was in Tokushima, which was Kenshi Yonezu's hometown. Though Kenshi was only elementary school at the time, he apparently vividly remembered the words that Hikaru Utada is coming to Tokushima, sweeping through the area. He never dreamt that the superstar he couldn't even reach as an elementary school student would one day sing a duet with him.